Oh my god, the wheels are
Wait, you didn't. You gotta. Don't record yet. We don't want to see that.
I did. No choice.
It's just doing the turning.
What is going
We got
on?
our dancing robot back.
Is one of them at a higher power than the other one? I hope not.
Are you running a walking robot?
Try it again.
Are they set? Are they not at the right length? What are the arms at? They're not even right now. Make them even.
They're not even?
No?
No, the one on the right's back further. Yeah, there you go. Well, they were even. Yeah, they were. Something.
Okay, try it again.
Do it again. Do it again.
Hold on. Did we put them on wrong when we put them back on after we got out of the box? No, I think they're symmetrical anyway.
No, you can't put those on wrong. They got to be the outsides. Unless we put them on the brick backwards.
That's yeah, that's what I mean.
Why is there a pause?
Alright, let's try that.
One is fast.
Still out of sync.
Is one just faster?
They're not. They're both set on the exact same.
Any progress? Just waiting.
Yeah, we've actually got it.
Where are the others?
Don't know.
I don't know.
Here
Yeah.
Yeah, but we got it where it'll successfully call a line now. We're just kind of modifying it, I guess.
Okay.
We need to elevate it. Elevate it.
It's not like that. So I'm stopping my gear.
Oh. The motor is not engaged correctly.
Might be in this right there.
What is it? I think this small and this one is not engaged correctly. That is the problem. Those two.
Small. The
Yeah, really small one. This small one and this one is not engaged correctly, and then that doesn't work.
So we need a bigger one.
No, I don't know. That what the.
That's what it's just right here.
Dude, I threw my hat and that shit got
Yeah, I lost mine.
I think it's supposed to shake up the ball from this.
You should make your own.
No, I did.
This one is just only license only, right?
No, we have two sensors on.
Two sensors. Okay. One is a touch sensor. One is a light sensor, right? How can you use the other sensors? Sound sensor and sound sensor. That's the easy one. You just when you start up the robot with the sound sensor. That is the sound sensor, and then you need to use the ultrasonic sensor too. So how can you use that? I don't know. My project is use 4 sensors and 3 motors. Yeah, 3 motors. You use the 3 motors here, and then you just use only 2 sensors here, right? You need to use 2 more here. These 2. The sound sensor, that's easy. Just okay when you started your robot with this sound. Okay, just a start or just a clap and then start the robot. That is the easy one. But what I ask you is how can you use this sensor? Just think about that, okay? Yeah.
I thought it was a
Thank you. Okay.
I'm Sonia.
Okay.
Sal, I don't know who he is. This is Yuri. I'm kidding, that's Steve.
Okay.
And this is.
And you are working on the tripod too.
Me and Sal did this part. He did this part and they did that part.
Okay. 1 week from today, okay? You guys need to.
Yeah, we're gonna be ready.
Okay.
Why do you guys
Successful.
Alright.
Alright, move it back a little bit.
No, they'll probably give it to you. This was supposed to I think the metals, it was supposed to be like red, because Yeah, it was supposed to be
Hold on, it's
white,
compiling.
you roll into colors.
Yeah,
metals,
okay.
the same color with the opposite colors. So you can map.
Okay, start with the sound sensor and touch sensor.
Did it just move forward? I think it double hit the bump sensor.
Failure. It worked well.
When the pressure is on, that's when it matters.
Alright, try this.
It's okay. That's you are over.
When you weren't here, it was doing great.
Exactly, you're the
Yeah,
problem.
usually that happens. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so that is not the unexpected one. That is just a user.
Alright, you're gonna make sure that it doesn't double bump the sensor.
Alright.
I'm gonna do that. I promise you for
Dang it, it was too far over.
Okay, I got the idea.
It's supposed to close on
Hold
the first
it
time.
and then go back and then detect the end of table back to the original point and then just
Release it.
okay. Okay, look good. Yep. Why not? Okay. Tripod. Okay. Popular. Yeah. Easy to use every the sensors.
Programming it to go forward until the ultra sensor or ultrasonic sensor senses this, then it'll stop and close this clause, and turn around, and when we clap, and then go forward, and then when we clap, it should stop.
Okay.
So we'll see if it works. How do you find the new file? It's on a rampage. Oh, it sensed something. Failure.
Partly. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, just we have the 1 week. So. Okay.